Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. Today, we're going to focus on the neck and shoulders. I did a lot of gardening yesterday, a lot of weeding, and today I woke up feeling a little bit stiff, a little bit rigid. So the exercises that I'm going to show you, I would do them for myself to help me ease some of that stiffness and make sure I have a good circulation going to the head so I feel sharp and productive today. But before we begin, just a quick reminder that we still have one place available this September for a Qigong Wellness Retreat. So if you are interested, please send me an email and I can follow up with more information. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. I'm gonna do this routine standing up, but feel free to grab a chair and do this routine seated down. So the first step is I always start with a massage to assess how tight my muscles are, to feel the body. So it always feels nice when you have warm hands. So once your hands feel nice and warm, we're going to massage the neck. So with the open palm, just begin squeezing from the top down towards the shoulders. Keep it firm but pleasant. Just a few times, bringing that warmth, moving the muscles, feeling the area a bit more. Good. We change hands. And if it's tight, it does feel pleasant. It's like a self-massage that you can have available to you anytime. Very good. Relax. From here, we're going to bring the index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb, and we're going to massage the area where the neck connects the head. I keep moving here. So you want to squeeze from the outside towards the center, right across that line. When you feel the skull already, just under there, towards the center. Again, keep it firm but pleasant, and repeat the same with your other hand. So if you identify, we have two small dents coming up to the head, so we want to target those. Putting some pressure there. We have an important acupressure point there. That is very beneficial if you have stiff neck. Just good stuff. Relax. Next, I'm gonna target the back of the shoulder. Again, first assessing the situation. See if I can loosen up through this gentle massage. And then also the front, the delta muscle here. Good. Same on the other side. Coming down. Relax. Good. So that was the first step. Next, I'm going to tap to make sure I unblock any stagnant energy, because when the muscle gets tight, it also kind of restricts the energy flow. So starting with the side of the neck. Switch sides. Back of the shoulder. Make your hand into a cup. Relax. Same on the other side. Relax. From here, we're going to target the very bottom of the neck, and we're going to tap there with an open palm. Relax. And relax. So if you only have 5 minutes, you can do that and you already feel a little bit better, a little bit more space, a little looser in your upper back. From here, we're going to target the neck. I like to combine the breathing here. It helps to slow things down, bring a little bit more awareness to this simple movement. And once more. Back to straight left and right. And we're going to breathe. Inhale at the center. Exhale, turn. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn. Slows your eye down. Okay. One more time on each side. Come back to center. From here, extend your arms out to the side, so you also feel a pleasant stretch coming down the sides of the inner side of your hand. And we're going to tilt the head to the side without trying to reach the shoulder, but more like keeping it vertically, keeping it reaching towards the sky. And we're going to roll back and forth. So elongating down the side of the neck. Just stay present with your breath. Keep the movement slow, deliberate. Very good. One more time. Come back and do the same on the other side. If you notice, my range of motion is not very big. I'm really kind of feeling the muscle, feeling what it needs. How far do I want to go? I'm doing about 70% effort, but it feels good. I feel like I can relax while I do this exercise. This is probably the most important thing. Stay relaxed. Good. Back, side, back to straight, and relax. And let's finish with big shoulder rotations. So make sure we include the neck, the upper back, the shoulder, opening up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, alternating the hands, exhale. One more time. Very good. And then turn sideways. Inhale, exhale. change the direction. Keep breathing well. And one more time. Relax. And then let your shoulders drop. Elongating through your spine. Open up through the back of the neck. And notice if you feel any different. I certainly do. Definitely more space. Beautiful. Thank you very much for joining me. It's been a pleasure. I hope it was helpful to you. You can do it multiple times during the day. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel and grow this wonderful Qigong community on YouTube. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow.